Hi, everyone. I'm Jane, and it's such a beautiful day out here. So I thought, why not make learning English fun and sporty? If you're new here, welcome. This is where we make English simple, friendly, and super practical for everyday life. Before we get going, do me a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button, tap the like button, and share this video with anyone you know who's learning English. Now, why idioms? Idioms are like the secret codes of English. Native speakers use them all the time without thinking. And when you start using them naturally, you'll sound more fluent, more confident, and more connected. The ones we're learning today all come from sports. Baseball, fishing, horse racing, and more. And the good news? You don't need to be a sporty person to use them. You could count walking to the fridge as exercise and still use these perfectly. All right, let's jump in. 1. Hit it out of the park. This one comes from baseball, a very American sport. In baseball, when you hit the ball so far it flies out of the stadium, it's called a home run, and it's the best possible outcome. In everyday English, if you hit it out of the park, you did something extremely well. You absolutely nailed it. Here's one from my life. I once baked a chocolate cake for my friends. Now, I am not the queen of desserts. Usually, I'm just hoping things don't burn. But this time, the cake turned out so good that one friend took a bite, froze, and said, "Jane, you hit it out of the park." At that moment, I felt like I'd won a gold medal at the Dessert Olympics. You can also use it for things like school projects or work. Your presentation was amazing. You really hit it out of the park. It's a great idiom to celebrate success and give people a confidence boost.
You totally hit it out of the park.
Hit it out of the park.
2. Call the shots. This one comes from sports like basketball and billiards, and you'll also hear it in military contexts. If you call the shots, you're the one in control. You're making the big decisions. For example, in my family, whenever we plan a road trip, I somehow end up in charge of everything. Where we stop, where we eat, even what music we listen to. My brother says I'm bossy. I say I'm efficient. Let's just say on road trips, I call the shots. In a workplace, you might hear, when it comes to design decisions, Sarah calls the shots. It's a nice idiom to describe someone who has the authority in a situation.
You call the shots.
You're ready to spit nails because you can't call the shots.
3. Get off the hook. This one comes from fishing. If a fish slips off the hook, it swims away free. In everyday life, to get off the hook means you escape trouble or avoid responsibility. One time, I forgot to submit a report at work. Before my boss even noticed, the deadline got extended. I thought, phew, I just got off the hook. It could be something small like skipping a chore. I was supposed to do the dishes, but my roommate said she'd do them, so I got off the hook. Or something bigger, like avoiding a fine or extra work.
I gotta get off the hook.
He's just saying that to get off the hook.
All right, now let's see how these first 3 idioms actually sound in a real conversation. I've got a short dialogue for you. Listen closely and see if you can spot all 3 idioms we just learned. Ready? Let's watch.
Your presentation yesterday was amazing. You totally hit it out of the park.
Thanks, but honestly, it was Sarah who called the shots on most of the content.
Really?
Yeah, and she even let me skip the Q&A, so I got off the hook.
4. Get the ball rolling. This one comes from sports like bowling or croquet, basically any game where you literally need to roll the ball to get started. Nothing happens until that ball moves. So when we say, let's get the ball rolling, we mean let's start something, kick things off, get moving. I use this a lot in my English classes. If students are sitting quietly, I might say, okay, let's get the ball rolling with a quick question. What's your favorite movie?
Okay, let's get the ball rolling with a quick question. What's your favorite movie?
That little start gets the energy flowing. At work, you could say, we need to get the ball rolling on this project before the deadline sneaks up on us. It's perfect for those moments when people are hesitating or waiting for someone else to start.
And to get the ball rolling, I will tell you the darkest secrets of my life.
I just need to get the ball rolling, as it were.
5. In the home stretch. This one comes from horse racing. The home stretch, or home straight in British English, is the final part of the race before the finish line. In everyday English, if you're in the home stretch, you're almost finished with something, usually after working hard for a while. Last year, I redecorated my living room. It took weeks: painting, building furniture, hanging curtains. By the last couple of days, I just had to place the plants and do some final touches. I told my friend, "Don't worry, I'm in the home stretch now."
Don't worry, I'm in the home stretch now.
You might also hear it at work. We've been editing this video all week, but we're in the home stretch, just the subtitles left. It's a great phrase to keep motivation high when you're almost there.
We're in the home stretch, Taylor.
We're in the home stretch.
6. Drop the ball. From American football and rugby. In the game, dropping the ball is a big mistake that can change the outcome. In everyday life, if you drop the ball, you make a mistake or fail to do something important. I'll admit, I've dropped the ball many times. Like when I promised to send my lasagna recipe to a friend, and 3 weeks later she had to remind me.
So sorry, I completely forgot to send you that lasagna recipe. I totally dropped the ball on that one.
Or in a professional setting, I dropped the ball and forgot to confirm the client's booking. It's not a happy idiom, but it's useful, because everyone drops the ball sometimes. The important thing is to learn from it and try not to drop it again.
Bernie, it is one thing to drop the ball with me, but with Eve.
I'll be sure that I don't drop the ball on the ball.
Yeah.
Drop.
Okay, now let's check out another short conversation. This time, you'll hear the last 3 idioms we just learned. See if you can catch all of them.
Let's get the ball rolling on the report, Saturday. We're in the home stretch now.
I know, but I think I dropped the ball.
Oh no, what happened?
I forgot to include the sales data.
That's okay, we still have time to fix it.
All right, let's have some fun and challenge ourselves. We're going to watch the first dialogue again, but this time there will be gaps for you to fill in. Say the missing words out loud or type them in the comments. Ready? Let's go.
Your presentation yesterday was amazing. You totally...
Thanks, but honestly, it was Sarah who on most of the content.
Really?
Yeah, and she even let me skip the Q&A, so
All right, take a moment to think about your answers. Got them? Okay, let's see how you did. How did you do? If you got all 3 right, you hit it out of the park. If you missed one, don't worry. Just rewind, listen again, and try once more. The more you practice, the easier these will stick in your brain. And that's our lesson. 6 sports idioms you can start using today to sound more natural and confident in English. Tell me in the comments, which idiom was your favorite today? And make your own sentence with it. I really love reading your examples and seeing you use new expressions. Don't forget, subscribe, click the bell so you never miss a lesson, and share this video with a friend who's learning English too. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. I know you could be doing 100 other things, so the fact that you chose to be here with me means so much. You're not just learning English, you're building confidence. And I'm so proud of you for that. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, I'm always here cheering you on. Sending you lots of love and big hugs. And, of course, a few kisses. Take care of yourself, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.
Thanks for watching Talky today. Learning English the fun, easy way. Hit subscribe, don't